It works as I expected it to. Fits great on my Dell laptop. The power pack works great. Good replacement for the original, and it fits perfectly. Now the battery charges full and lasts longer than 5 minutes. I bought this because I needed an extra charger for when I bring my laptop home. It works wonderfully. I was mildly surprised the price was so reasonable. Satisfied customer. I like it helped me out a lot and would recommend to anyone. Click link in description for more reviews.